Hot Wheels Monster Jam, Virginia Giant. Welcome to Monster Truck Classics, and we are going to be unboxing Virginia Giant from 2023. He was number 27 in this series, and it is officially licensed sealed by Monster Jam down there, left-hand corner. And it is a metal collection. So fully metal, small wheels. So let's go ahead and check out the back of the card. On the back of the card, we're going to start up here. We have Hot Wheels, then Gravedigger, Bounty Hunter, Tough Enough, Blue Thunder, Power Forward, Backdraft, Masters of the Universe, Jurassic Attack, Hulk, Spider-Man, Wolverine, Prowler, T-Mints, Wild Hair, Maniac, and Dragon. And then here are some other versions of toys that they came out with. The Mega Rev Trends 1/18 scale. This is the showing Gravedigger. 1/43 scale of the Crank and Crush. I never got that, of one of those Crank and Crush toys. And a 1/43 scale of the Rev Treads. Maybe you remember that. And then, of course, the 1/64th scale, which we are looking at here. So let's go ahead and unbox Virginia Giant. While I'm unboxing Virginia Giant, if you don't mind hitting that like button, if you want to do that, I greatly appreciate that. And also, if you're not subscribed to Monster Truck Classics, maybe you want to subscribe to Monster Truck Classics so you don't miss any future videos that I'm going to be posting here on my YouTube channel. And Monster Truck Classics is on Instagram also. Here is Virginia Giant out of the package. Let's get a closer look with gray wheels, and then the smaller tires and wheels, I should say. And then underneath, we get the metal base, and then the black roll cage. And then you can see the motor in the back. There we have it. And then the metal die-cast body of Virginia Giant. Back here, we have the United States Hot Rod Association logo. And then we have the Monster Jam logo right there. Virginia Giant. You see his eyes popping through there, the Giant. And then a flame job for Virginia Giant. And then in the front, then also we have kind of like the checkered flag in the front. There's the Hot Wheels logo on the truck as well. Back here, can't make that out very well. JR's, can't make that out, what that says. But there is Virginia Giant. Let's go ahead to the front. And I believe this is like supposed to be a Ford casting. Looks like it to me. And there is the hood of Virginia Giant. And coming around to the other side, the driver's side of Virginia Giant. And then back here on the tailgate, you see that they have the lights also. That's nice that they have that on the tailgate. Now we have the monster looking through the Giant on the back right there. Up top, nothing, just the color pink. And you can see more of the design on the hood of Virginia Giant that way. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review here on Monster Truck Classics, and thank you for tuning in.